Hello guys, I am Saurabh from Runfast Medical Educare Private Limited. Now I am in Uzhorod. Come let's see the Uzhorod National Medical University Hostel, and how the hostel is, and what security is provided to the students. What type of security is provided when students enter, or how do they exit the hostel? How is the room, whether it's 2-seaters or 4-seaters, and what are the facilities inside the room for students? Let's discuss all this. Now we have reached the hostel of Uzhorod National Medical University for foreign students. And now we will go inside and see the view. The campus is so beautiful from outside. The mess is adjacent to the hostel for students. The students come out of the hostel and enter the mess, have their meals, and go back to their rooms. Now we will go inside the hostel. We have entered the hostel. Now we will show the security when the students enter the hostel. When they enter, the IT card is checked. And even when they exit, the IT card is checked. The CCTV cameras are also installed, and 2 security persons are also present. This is the ground floor of the hostel, and has a big lobby to sit in. If any students want to sit for 5 minutes and relax or discuss anything with other students, so for them it has enough space. Now let us meet the hostel warden.
Hello.
Hello. My name is Olga, and I am the hostel manager of UZNU. Inside the hostel, on the ground floor, there is a coffee machine so that students can take their coffee. And beside the coffee machine there is a mobile recharge machine so that students can recharge their mobile phones. And no need to pay anything separately. As there are coffee and mobile recharge machines inside the hostel, the students don't need to go out for anything. Everything is available inside the hostel itself. All the arrangements to sit are done on the ground floor only. The study tables are also placed so that students can have the discussion, have any query which they can discuss with each other. Now we are entering the student room. Before entering the room there is a security mechanism. The students enter from here. Now we will take you to the student rooms. Now we are on the 2nd floor, and it is separate girls floor. And see, the CCTV cameras are installed on each floor. As CCTV cameras are installed, everything is being recorded, and students are extremely secured with these things. Now we are going to enter the room, and going to knock on any room. Hello. Sorry for disturbing you. I am coming here to visit, and have taken permission from the hostel warden. Can I see your room?
Yeah, come.
Can you tell me your name?
My name is Divishri.
You are in which year?
First course.
Which course?
Medicine. MBBS.
Can you tell me about your room?
My room? Yeah, it's a very good room and I am having my roommate with me. She is not here now. We have good facilities here. Hot water.
Do you have any problem with other rooms, like any disturbance, crowd or anything?
No, we don't have any disturbance like that. If any problem, we can go and complain in the office and they'll take care of it.
Everything is fine here.
Yeah, yes.
The hostel is good.
Yeah, hostel is good.
Thank you. Let's have a look at the hostel rooms. The first one is the 2-seater room. And for the students, the beds of the 2-seater rooms are very comfortable, and the study tables and chairs are also placed in the room. The cupboards are different for both the students so that they keep their stuff separately. No problem of any kind, like cupboards, study tables, chairs or anything. Everything is available in the hostel. The mirrors are hanged on the wall inside the room. And there are separate washrooms attached to the room. Now see, this is the 5-seater room for students. This is exactly like a flat if there are a group of friends like 4 or 5 friends in a group. And they think to stay together outside the campus, but they don't need to do so because it is already made inside the hostel. 2 students will stay here. And 3 other students in the room next to it. There are 2 beds in the room, one above, and the next one below it. There are study tables also in the room. The cupboards are placed in the rooms to keep the stuff. Now we will take you to the next room. The mirrors are hung properly inside the room. And all 3 beds are kept in place with the study table and chairs. Cupboards are also provided to the students to keep their things. The washroom is attached to the room. We are standing on the balcony of the hostel, and we can easily see the university building. It is 5 to 10 minutes walking distance from the hostel. Just in front of the hostel, there is a supermarket which is open 24/7. Students can take any grocery items easily from here. The view from the hostel balcony is very beautiful.